Next question, what is that? Next question is going to be third one. Sec a plus tan a into 1 minus tan a. So just I am solving the question, you can search the options, very easy. 1 minus sin a. So here this I can write as 1 by cos a, this I can write as sin a by cos a. Why I am writing like so? See, I don't have any relation between these two, so that for that I am writing in terms of sin and cos. So denominators are equal, this will become 1 plus sin a by cos a and 1 minus sin a. It is like a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, 1 minus sin square a by cos a. I am going little fast, so already we have discussed this many questions on the identities. So this denominator is 1, so a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. 1 minus sin square a. 1 minus sin square a is what? Cos square a by cos a. Square cancelled, cos a. So what is the option? Option D, I think. Let it. Next question number 4. 1 plus tan square theta by 1 plus cot square theta. How can I write this one? So simply 1 plus this tan square theta I am writing as a cot square theta. 1 by cot square theta. In terms of cot square theta, that means 1 into cot square theta is what? Cot square theta plus 1 by cot square theta divided by 1 plus cot square theta. A by b by c. If it is like a by b by c, what will write? A by b into c. Multiply these two. So cot square theta plus 1 by cot square theta into 1 plus cot square theta or cot square theta. Both will be cancelled. 1 by cot square theta is what? Tan square theta. So next question. Fifth bit. So what is the fifth bit? The fifth one. Show that first question. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta is the first one. So how can I write cosec theta? Cosec theta will be 1 by sin theta. Cot theta will be cos theta by sin theta whole square. So it will become 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Now you can get 1 minus cos theta whole square by a by b whole square. So sin square theta. Look at here. Sin square theta, just now we have discussed it. Sin square theta, how can I write? 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos theta whole square. Again, 1 means 1 square I can write. That means this will become 1 square minus cos square theta, denominator. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. A plus b is 1 plus cos theta. A minus b is 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. You will get 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. That's about the fifth bit, first one. Next, second question. So this is what we required. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos. Next one. Prove that cos a by 1 plus sin a plus cos a by 1 minus sin a is equal to 2 sec. Already we have discussed this. In the example questionnaire I have discussed this one. So once you can cross check that. Next question, third one. What is the third one? Cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a by cos a is equal to 2 sec a. We have to show this one. So little care we have to take here. This is 1 plus sin a. Now, so here both denominators are different. So first let us take LHS. This I have taken, you have to imagine. So here I am not reiterating that. So cross multiply first. Cos a into cos a, cos square a. 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a whole square divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. Cos square a plus b whole square. What is that? A square plus b square plus 2ab sin a. 2 into 1 into this is sin a by a square plus b square plus 2, a is 1, b is sin a by 1 plus sin a into cos a. Cos square theta plus sin square theta, that will be 1. Wherever it might be, we can add them, no problem. So it will become 1 plus 1 square is 1 plus 2 into 1 into sin a is 2 sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into 2 sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. Now what will be common from this? 2 will be common. What you will get? 1 plus sin a by 1 plus sin a into cos a. Once again 2 will be common. This is sin a, 2 into 1 plus sin a, 2 1 the 2, 2 into sin a. This is also sin a only. It is very bottom paper end. I am not able to write perfectly. 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a will be cancelled. What you will get? 2 by cos a. 2 by cos a is what? 2 sec. Cos is the reciprocal of the sec. In this way we can find this question. Once again cross multiply a plus b whole square form. So a plus b whole square means what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Cos square a plus sin square a is 1. Already 1 square we have 1. This is 2 into sin a. 1 plus 1 is 2. What will be common? 2 will be common. You will get 1 plus sin a. 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a cancel. 2 by cos a. 2 by cos a is 2 sec a. This is about the fifth bit, third question. We will discuss the remaining questions in the next class.